Hello everyone, this is Ms. Gutzel speaking. In this video, we are going to examine insert feature number 4, chart, for the Google Docs series. With that being said, let's begin. When I click on insert and hover over chart, the following options appear. I can insert a generic bar, column, line, or pie chart into the Google Doc. Alternatively, I can insert a specific chart from a Google Sheet. For today's tutorial, I'm going to insert a generic bar chart. So when I click on bar chart, a bar chart appears. As can be seen in the lower left of the doc, I can choose to edit this chart in Sheets. Now, even though I did not click on Edit in Sheets, I can still access this function. To do so, I need to click on my chart, and then I can click on the down arrow here, and I can select to open the source. When I do so, a new tab appears, and I can now edit the data within the Google Sheet in order to alter the chart. And I can even see a copy of the chart here. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video helped you grow in your knowledge of technology.